Hello students, bonjour à tous. Aujourd'hui, on va faire, today we are going to do lesson this, lesson number 10, vos projets d'avenir, your future planning. So let's do the translation first. Dennis, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Dennis, what are you doing? Morhan, another boy is saying, les examens approach, the exams are approaching, et je prépare mes examens, and I'm preparing for my examinations. Dennis is saying, moi, j'ai déjà terminé mes examens. Me, I have already finished my examinations. Morhan is saying, quels sont les projets d'avenir? Which are your future plannings? Dennis is saying, j'ai des vacances, I have vacations. Pendant ces vacances, during vacations, j'irai à Londres, I'm going to London, en Angleterre, in England. Morhan is saying, non, tes projets pour des études ou les études. Know your projects, your planning for the studies. Dennis is saying, pour mes études, for my studies, je passerai un concours, I'll pass a competition pour entrer, to enter in IUT, Institut Universitaire de Technologie. This is the full name of IUT and it's quite similar to IIT in India. Moha, tu veux suivre une formation de technologie. You will follow a training in technology. Dennis is saying, oui. Je deviendrai informaticien. I'll become an engineer. Et toi and you? Engineer, basically in computer engineer. So he's saying what? Mohan, je veux devenir architecte. I want to become an architect. After my examination, j'irai en Allemagne. I'll go to Germany pour mes études supérieures, for my higher studies. Je dessinerai des ponts. I'll design the bridges. Construire des bâtiments. Construct the buildings. Ça m'intéresse beaucoup. It interests me a lot. It is being liked by me a lot. Dennis, très bien, very well. Maintenant, now, tu prépares tes examens. You prepare for your examination. Je viendrai chez toi. I'll come to your place la semaine prochaine, next week. When I say d'accord, au revoir, okay, bye. Then saying bonne chance, all the best, au revoir, bye, all the best. Now, so students, questions based on the text is over here. Activity number one. Que fait Morin? What Morin is doing? Morin prépare pour son examen. Morin is preparing for her examination. Question number two. Où va Dennis pendant les vacances? Where Dennis is going during the vacations. Dennis va à Londres. Dennis is going to London. En Angleterre, in England. Quels sont les projets d'avenir de Dennis? Which are the future plannings of Dennis? So, future planning is, il passera un concours, he'll pass a competition, he'll sit in a competition, that is to appear in a competition, pour entrer, to enter in IUT. Question number 4. Que deviendra Morin plus tard? What Morin will become later on? So answer is Morin deviendra architect. Morin will become an architect. Vrai and faux, Dennis prépare ses examens. Dennis is preparing for examinations. Faux. It is not Dennis, it's Morin. Morin ira en Allemagne pour ses études. Morin will go to Germany for her studies. C'est vrai. True. Dennis veut devenir informaticien. Dennis wants to become computer engineer. Answer is vrai. Question number 4. Les examens de Morin sont déjà terminés. Examinations of Morin are already terminated. Over. False. It's not yet over. Morin deviendra architect. Morin will become an architect. Answer is vrai. True. Now, students, in activity number 3, we have to write a dialogue. It's a dialogue writing. Let's check that. For dialogue writing, it is saying that écris le dialogue, write a dialogue entre toi, between you and ton ami and your friend en discutant while discussing tes projets d'avenir, your future planning. A is one boy, B is another boy. Quels sont tes projets pour tes études? What are your plannings for the studies? B is saying, moi, je finirai le bac, I'll finish the bac. Bac is a degree which you get after passing lycée. Et après, and after, je me préparais, I'll prepare myself pour l'examen de médecine, for the medical examinations. Et tu veux devenir médecin? Do you want to become a doctor? Answer is oui. Et toi? Yes, and you? Et c'est moi, je deviendrai professeur de français. I will become French teacher or French professor. B saying, intéressant, interesting. Bonne chance, all the best. A saying, à toi aussi, to you also. So this is activity number 3, students, on dialogue between two friends about future planning. Now here, students, in this chapter will study about future tense, simple future tense in French. It is called the futur simple. The Futusamp, the rules are very simple. If a verb is ending with ER, IR or RE, you have to make sure that verbs end with R. In ER, there is no tension. IR, there is no tension. It already ends by R. In RE, we have to drop the final E and make it R ending. And then we add the endings of Futusamp. That is AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT. So let's see over here, the questions given over here. And there's few irregulars which we have to take a note of. Conjugale ver con parentheses or Futisampler, according to Futisampler. Il dash venir. Venir is irregular. So we are starting from irregular here. So venir will become viandre and A will be added according to il. AI, AS, A. So A. Dama. Il viandra dama. He'll come tomorrow like that. No fair verb is there. FER plus ONS. Question number 3. ILS. Ale will become IR plus ONT. AIASA, ONSEZ, ONT. So ONT, last one. Question number 4. Après les examens, je. Être is SER plus AI according to je. AIASA. That way, AI. Question number 5. Elle choisira. So choisir, same way, this is regular. So I'll write the same verb and I'll write A. This is the ending of Yutisam. Matthew is a boy. Boy means IL. So it will be metra. This is also regular. E will be dropped, A will be added. Je me couchera. So sir will be changed to ma. According to je, it will be ma. And coucher, R ending will be AI. Coucherai. Vous, var will be VERR plus EZ. Right? So this was activity number 4, students. Let's move on to activity number 5 and 6. First of all, let's move on to 5. Is over here. Il peut courir très vite. So you have to find the verb. PUT is from pouvoir verb. Pouvoir will come pura. POURR. And rest part will remain same. Question number 2. Nous allons is from aller verb. So it will be IR plus ONS. Irons. Question number 3. Tu te réveilles. So ta will remain same. Réveiller verb ER ending plus AS will be added. Question number 4. Samira means according to L. So Samira se promènera. So it will be promènerai. R plus A will be added according to Samira. Question number 5. Vous écoutez. So écouter is from écouter verb, ECOUTER, and EZ will be added. Écouter. Ils boivent du coca. Boire is from boire verb, BOIR, and ONT will be added according to ILS. Boiront. Question number 7. J'ai. So it is from avoir verb. Avoir becomes AUR, and we have to add AI. J'aurai. Question number 8. Il prend. Prendre verb is there. PRE and DRE. E will be dropped and DR plus ONT will be added according to third person plural number. Okay, now students, moving on to activity number 6. Activity number 6 is quite simple. It is taken from class, you can say from class 7. So directly from those questions, in which we have to use A accent, EN, AU, AUX. A accent is used for all the cities of the world. EN for feminine country, AU for masculine country, AUX for plural country. So it has not been asked in details, so I'm telling in short. A accent for cities, EN for feminine country, you can identify once a country name is ending with E later, then it is a feminine country, you have to add EN. AU for masculine country, the country's name which are not ending by E later are masculine country, you can add AU. And AUX for plural country, there are 4 plural countries right now you can be concerned with, that is États-Unis, US, West Indies, Philippines, and Les Pays-Bas, Netherlands. Let's see. Je vais à Paris because Paris is a city. En France because France is a country and feminine country, E ending. Denis ira, Denis will go. En Angleterre because Angleterre is a feminine country, EN. Pendant les vacances, nous allons AUX because États-Unis is a plural country. Il va au Japon because Japan is a masculine country, it's not ending by E letter. Right, so these are the activities, students. On this page number 82, there is an exercise in which you have to fill all the verbs given in the box according to je and nous subject noun. So like aller, je j'irai, nous irons. Prendre, prendrai, nous prendrons. Avoir, j'aurai, nous aurons. Savoir, je saurai, nous saurons. Boire, je boirai, nous boirons. Visiter, it's a regular, je visiterai, nous visiterons. Manger, regular, je mangerai, nous mangerons. Écrire, E will be dropped. Écrire, écriront. Mettre, E will be dropped. Mettre, mettront. Venir is irregular, so it will become viandre, viandront. And then it's the voir, so VERR, verront. Être, irregular, ser, ai, seront. Pouvoir, irregular, pourrai, pourrez, pourront. Faire is irregular, ferai, ferai, feront. Descendre is regular, drop e and add ai, descendre, descendront. Rencontrer, regular, nothing to drop, just add ai. Rencontrerai, to meet, I'll meet. Nous rencontrerons, will meet. Servir, regular, AI, ONS, right? So according to je, you have to add AI. According to nous, you have to add ONS. And you have to take care of regular and irregular. Now here students, the one activity which we have to do from exercises is the first one. In this, what you see that all are regular verbs. Visiter, déménager, acheter, dîner, rajouter, arriver, décoller, téléphoner, changer, demander. So till here it's ER. Till question number 10, it's all ER ending verb. So what we have to do, we have to write the same verb which is given in the bracket, and then we have to write AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT as per the subject pronoun. Now in question number 11, it's a IR ending verb, 12 IR ending verb, and 13 IR ending verb, 14 IR ending verb, 15 IR ending verb, so 16 also IR, 17 IR, 18 IR, 19 and 20. So from 11 to 20 all are IR ending verb. In this also we don't have to do anything. Just write the same verb, IR ending verb, in the answer, in the blank, and then add AI, ASA, ONS, EZ, ONT. How you have to add? According to je, AI, according to tu, AS, according to il and L or name, we have to add A, nous, ONS, vous, EZ, and plural, we have to write ONT, right? So students, this is lesson number 10 and the end of the book, part 4, Flambeau. Hope you learnt this with you Sam quite nicely. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. Au revoir et bonne journée. Et bonne chance.